Hold on to your wallets because what I'm about to tell you is beyond surreal. Huawei's first triple fold-in phone, Huawei's Mate XT, originally priced at $3,000, is now being sold for as much as $10,000. Yep, you heard that right, a phone that costs more than some cars. Let's dive into what's going on. Let's break down why this is happening and why this phone has created such a buzz globally. The surreal price surge from $3,000 to $10,000. All right, let's kick things off with the obvious, the price. Huawei initially priced the Mate XT at around $3,000, which is already high for a smartphone, but understandable considering the unique trifold design. But here's where things go crazy. As of now, this phone is being resold for nearly $10,000 in some markets. Yes, I know that's more than triple the original price. Honestly, unless this thing is made out of gold, no phone should cost $10,000. There are cars, actual cars, you could buy for 10 grand. So why has the price gone through the roof? The answer lies in the demand and limited supply. Huawei has launched the Mate XT only in China for now, but it's already shaking up markets globally. Reports suggest that over 2.8 million reservations for the Mate XT were made when it first became available. Now, this number has jumped to a staggering 6.3 million reservations on Huawei's official platform, Mall. But here's the catch. Pre-orders don't guarantee you'll get the phone immediately. Why? Because supply is incredibly limited. The Mate XT has become such a hot commodity that scalpers and resellers are making a fortune off it. Some dealers are marking up the prices by 200% to 300%. For instance, in Shenzhen's Huawei, the world's largest electronics marketplace, some sellers are offering the phone for around 60,000 to 70,000 yuan, which translates to roughly $8,400 to $9,800. This is just mind-blowing. The resellers are playing a major role in driving up the prices of the Mate XT. One secondhand smartphone dealer, Lin Shen, shared that prices in the market are completely unpredictable. According to him, a lot of the Mate XT's demand is fueled by scalpers who aim to resell the device at much higher prices. The market is fluctuating daily, and it's unclear how much higher these prices will go once the phone is officially available for sale. And here's something interesting. Some retailers are holding off on setting a final resale price until they can actually secure units. With sales beginning soon, we can expect even more chaos in terms of pricing. Now, let's talk about the larger picture. How Huawei's Mate XT is shaking up the Chinese smartphone market. This price surge and enormous demand for the Mate XT have caught the attention of many, especially as Huawei is poised to challenge Apple's dominance in China. What's happening is that Huawei is rolling out its cutting-edge Mate XT, just as Apple is about to launch its new iPhone 16 series. Retailers in China are already cutting prices on the iPhone 16 in response to the Mate XT's hype. For instance, the 512 gigabytes iPhone 16 Plus is being discounted more like a mini tablet. In addition to the trifold design, the Mate XT comes with some advanced AI features, further adding to its appeal. And although it's currently only available in China, the international demand for this phone is already skyrocketing. To wrap things up, the Huawei Mate XT has definitely made a massive splash in the tech world. With its trifold design, advanced features, and limited availability, it's no wonder that the prices are spiraling out of control. The $10,000 price tag may seem outrageous, but it reflects just how hot the foldable phone market has become, especially in China. It'll be interesting to see how Huawei's Mate XT performs once it becomes more widely available, and whether it will be able to maintain its momentum against competitors like Apple. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on the $10,000 price tag for a smartphone? Let me know in the comments section below. As always, see you in the next video.